Hello, my dear friends. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a balloon figure Labubu. I will show you the easiest way to make a balloon figure. Are you ready? Let's get started. I will show you how to make a balloon head using a transparent balloon. I am using an 18-inch balloon. I am pre-inflating the balloon to eliminate any defects. Then I need 10-inch balloons. I put one balloon inside a transparent balloon and inflate it by 10 pumps. I make a knot and don't let go of the balloon's end. Then I add some air to the transparent balloon and put the second 10-inch balloon inside. Please take a look. I'm holding the tail of the first balloon tightly. I also inflate the second balloon by 10 pumps. After that, I tied the ends of the two balloons together. The transparent balloon has a slightly offset center, and I fix it very quickly. So, I showed you how I make a balloon head for a figurine. So, I've made the same balloon head, but I'm using 18-inch balloon, color, blush. Now we need to eliminate a small defect in the balloon head. Please note the shape of the head, and you can see that it is slightly concave. I'll show you the problem by using a 260 size balloon for modeling. I'm inflating the balloon for modeling by 6 pumps. I let some air out from 1 to 2 seconds and make a knot. The knot should be 3 to 4 centimeters long. I mash the modeling balloon a little to reduce the pressure inside it. Then I wrap this modeling balloon around balloon head, and you can see a small gap at the top of the head. To align the balloon head, I add some air inside the 18-inch balloon. And now everything is perfect, and you can tie the knot. Let's check it again. The modeling balloon fits very tightly to the balloon head. It's fine. Then I'll make a balloon body. I'm using a pink 12-inch balloon and a piece of balloon for modeling size to 160. I'm inflating a 12-inch pink balloon by 12 pumps, and then I make a most common apple twist. And let's tie the body and the balloon head together. It's not a stable figure, but let's continue. Cut off the excess part and tie the modeling balloon that we inflated earlier. Wrap the modeling balloon around the balloon head. Squeeze and twist the balloon at the point at the bottom of the balloon head. Then, wrap the last part of the modeling balloon around torso and make a pinch. Twist the size of 2 fingers. Make the same pinch twist on the other side of the figure. Please take a look that the balloon is attached very firmly. If you wish, you can use glue dots. In this case, you will be very calm. Now I'm going to show you how to make the ears, arms and legs. I use the balloon for modeling size 360. I'm inflate this balloon for 1.5 pumps. Make a knot and cut off the excess part. Then I inflating pink balloon for modeling size to 160 by 3 pumps. Make a knot and then I make to pinch twist the size of 1 fingers. I tie a 360 modeling balloon between 2 pinch twists, wrap a pink modeling balloon around a blush balloon, and fix it between the twists. You should make 2 such elements. Then you have to make 2 legs like this one. I inflate a piece of 269 balloon for modeling and make for pinch twists. Then I inflate pink 5-inch balloons by 2 pumps. I tied the 4-pinch twist at the very end of the pink 5-inch balloon. Then I'll make an apple twist. I prepare a piece of pink modeling balloon beforehand. I always cut the end of the modeling balloon to prevent air from accumulating inside the balloon. To make the hands for figure, I inflating 160 balloon for modeling and make 4 pinch twists. Then I inflate a 260 pink modeling balloon. At the very end of the balloon, I make 2 pinch twists size 1 fingers. Tie the 2 elements together as shown in this video. Bend the pink modeling balloon slightly and make a bubble about 6 fingers in size. Tie the 2 elements together. Please note that the distance between the knots should be about 2 centimeters. Attach the hands to the pinch twist. I use adhesive tape to attach all the other elements. The figure is ready, but I think that the figure will look the most beautiful with the eye stickers. The file with the eye stickers will be attached to this video and will be a gift for you. Now everything is ready. I'm happy to share my experience with you, and thank you for watching.